Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the brightness of your touch screen. Firstly, you need to open the control panel, then click on the left top corner to open the settings of your device, then just click preferences to open settings, then scroll down, find the screen brightness here and just change the brightness of your screen. In my case, it will the best. Choose, click done, and great! Screen brightness was successfully changed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.